So let's talk about human programming mechanisms. A belief instilled in a human is like an app installed in a phone. It will cause one to behave in a predictable manner, and the actions and reactions will be consistent to the belief. And in most cases, just like computers, that belief will not be changed by any person other than the programmer. And in this case, in most cases, it's your media handler. It's who you get your news from, whether that be Tucker Carlson or Anderson Vanderbilt, or Alex Jones, or Joe Rogan. It doesn't matter. They all serve the same Lord and Master. A belief is a very powerful thing. Let's say you were a king and you wanted people to pay taxes, but they didn't want to pay taxes. And they blamed you for everything. And you thought of this great idea. Well, it's, hey, they resent me because I'm a bloodline king and they think I'm privileged. They don't respect me. So how about we create this facade, this construct, we'll call it a democracy, whereas they think they're electing their own people and they pay their taxes to support their own government, a government of the people, for the people, by the people. And so they're not just giving their money to a rich king who's going to squander it. They're supporting their government. They're paving the roads. They're filling the potholes. They're creating an infrastructure and a social system. It's their money and they're in control. It's just a belief. Meanwhile, they all admit they have the same bloodline. All of our presidents, all of the rulers and leaders are related. All they do is they take their kids and they shuffle them around and give them to other families and give them different names so they'll grow up and people will think they're one of us. He just built an empire in his garage from nothing but a dream. And so they happily pay their taxes as happily as possible when they believe they're funding their own government. And they obey because they think it's their own man that's up there, that he's going to save them. Anyway, belief is a powerful thing. Think of all the things that you believe and in the cause and effect relation of those beliefs, and what does it cause you to do? What does it allow you to do that you wouldn't otherwise do? Think about that hard. And think about where you got those beliefs. Who gave them to you? The same entities that control the school and the church and the TV, they control everything else. And that's a conspiracy, but it's not a theory. It's just how it is. It's consistent. You have all these flavors of religion, but they're all a 501c3. They're all connected to the government. They're all controlled. And if they don't follow that control, they lose their status. And they have to pay out the wazookie. So the moment you start thinking they are independent of anything, you need to dig a little deeper into life. We all do, don't we? Anyway, Don't choke on that.